welcome back to my channel. First, I want to thank you for the 1000 subscribers and for your support. Thank you very much. I love you, you're the best. This is why I wanted to create something special for you, and I came up with this look. It's colorful, it gives you really good sensation. The shades are beautiful, purple, yellow and pink. Pretty good combination. It's very appropriate for the upcoming summer, and you can use it for the spring season also. For me, this look reminds me of Malibu. I don't know why, I've actually never been there, but that's the way I feel about it. It looks like the sun is rising or setting down to me. I hope you're gonna love it too. Okay, enough talks, let's go for it. Let's start with moisturizing the face with primer. This is a little face massage we're doing here. Then, by using a Nivea BB cream, let's make the foundation. You know, this is not the usual foundation, it's a combination between a cream and a foundation. But I love it because it's very easy to apply. Next step is to apply concealer under the eyes. This is a good amount of concealer. Okay then, I'm going to apply more of it, but this time there are two different colors. The reason is to achieve a better color under the eyes. What am I doing? It looks like sunlight. Now blend it with a beauty blender. Okay, let's apply some concealer on the eyelids, on the forehead and on the nose. It will be instead eyeshadow base. Then just fix the face with powder. I'm going to use two different products. First is Essence Matte Fixing Powder. I'm using it on the whole face. For the spots under the eyes and on the eyelids, I'm using Rimmel Match Perfection Powder in color Transparent. You can use only one of them. After that, we are going to give the eyebrows good shape. Start with eyebrow pencil. clean the edges with concealer if it's necessary. Then I'm using some eyebrow gel to finish the shape. It's Essence product. Finally, let's start with the eye makeup. First eyeshadow that we are going to use is this purple one. With fluffy brush, we start applying it to the crease. Then we are going to take a darker shade of purple to make this look more colorful and apply it on the same line like the first one and a little bit on the outer line of the lid. Next step is to put the same darker shade on the inner lid but with angled brush. Okay, move to pink eyeshadow. With fluffy brush, just place it right over the first purple shade we applied and blend it nice. Now with concealer brush, take some concealer, and this is going to be really tough to create. I want to cut a half round because I want to make a sunset effect on the eyes. So let's see how this is going to end. I'm very curious about it. I can tell you something. This is my second time when I make this look. So what do you think? Is it obvious? Now it's time to fill the empty spot with eyeshadow. First is this yellow shade and the second is this more greenish eyeshadow. I will combine those two shades. I'm using angled brush to apply the yellow shade exact to the line from which the purple shade begins. This makeup starts to look interesting. Next, I'm taking this pink eyeshadow again and start applying it from the outer lid to the middle. I also want to blend the harsh line nice. Then with the darker purple shade, repeat the same steps. For me, this looks good. Okay, put the eyeliner on. So for lower line, we are going to use the same eyeshadows. From the outer lash line to the middle, let's apply the yellow shade. From the inner corner to the mid-lid, put a dark purple shade. And in the end, blend it together with the pink eyeshadow. These false lashes are beautiful. Okay, let's finish the face. This beautiful pink thing is the blush which I am going to use today. With Smile, place it on the cheeks. Then I'll put some highlighter on the cheekbones, on my cupid's bow, on the nose and on the inner corner of the eye. You can see I already applied my lipstick. It's Kylie in color Poisy, but I'm going to apply a glossy one also. It's Chanel number 13 in color of Frioleon. I don't know how to pronounce that word. I'm sorry, but this is my best in French. And the final step is to fix all the makeup we've made with a fixing spray. Mine is Rimmel Fix and Go. This is the final look. It's very beautiful and I really have fun making it. I hope you like it. You can leave your comment about it in the comment section down below. If you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Guys, thank you so much. I give you a big hug and I will see you in my next video. Bye!